guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a custom teleport in Minecraft. So essentially what teleport's going to do is, as you can see, there's some particles over here, and what's going to happen, I'm going to walk on these particles on this diamond block, and it's going to teleport me to that other diamond block over there. So let's try it, and as you can see it teleports me right back. So with that, let's get right on with the tutorial. Right, the first thing that you're going to want to do is you want to get yourself a command block. We're going to do /give add command underscore block. We're going to place it down in below where you want to get teleported. And this part's completely optional, but you do the particles now. So we're going to do repeating, always active, unconditional. And we're going to do particle, Minecraft, colon, end underscore chest, tilde tilde 3 tilde, which essentially is going to spawn the particles above, and as you can see, spawn right here. And to make the actual teleport itself, we're going to do another repeating, always active. We're going to do TP at a r equals 1.9, and then the coordinates of where we want to get teleported, which I am going to go get that right now. I'm going to get teleported here, so I'm just going to copy the coordinates. Paste them in there, and I'm going to conceal these command blocks with a diamond block. And yeah, when we're done, if I just show it again, like start the video, gets teleported over here. Super simple. So yeah, if you guys want to see more or make it a bit more complicated, let me down in the comments below. And don't worry, the boss video is going to come out soon. I'm just thinking of some ideas for it, and that's all. But with that, goodbye.